In the latest sentiment analysis for banking, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment at plus 0.19, contrasting sharply with a momentum drop of minus 0.37 over the past 24 hours. This sharp divergence suggests heightened optimism amid a backdrop of declining momentum, something we don't see every day. With our API, you receive a structured output that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind these shifts. Imagine using this insight to inform your next strategy, like adjusting your portfolio in response to this contrasting sentiment. Dive deeper into the data and harness these insights to refine your decision-making. Check it out at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.